Oh, don't worry about it. It's like Slim Pickens riding the A-bomb.
Keep coming. Keep coming. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop.
Proper operation of power tools.
Hold it, hold it. Hold it on the black and orange. Spikes going through to the back. To the back.
Is that it then?
Correct. Moved over. That end.
Yeah, it's going to be all plugged off when you walk this back.
Hold it. What's that with this shit? Larry, on the spot, how do you?
So what's it like carrying that spiral? What's going through your mind?
No camera! Get those cameras out of here!
Well, when it's dark, you won't see it. Bad.
On your marks.
Just don't look down. There is an edge there, so you can actually stand there and feel the piece of wood.
Big rail edge.
I'm just gonna record our what I was gonna do. Because I don't want to be nervous.
Not long.
There's a little safety valve. That'll be a
Like white lake parade.
Reach your fears, however. I know. Use this.
Wait, how's this bridge being suspended? It's not being suspended. Oh, it's
See those big cathedrals right there? On the here.
It's better.
No, it's got
the middle here, man.
two scaffold section.
Green ties and a suspender.
That.
But think about it. Yeah. One glass eye.
Exactly, yeah. Also crack out your eye, yeah. That's it.
Kate's the.
And I was hoping I could meet her.
She's supposed to be.
I left a message that I would be here.
She is supposed to be here.
Good.
You know, so
Well,
she
that
should
shouldn't
be
matter.
here. And why don't you two talk?
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt you.
Well, let me go over to here's the support cell.
Yeah.
Yeah, so,
Let me just get this.
up being up there way up high. Last year we did, we rigged them off this one here with the light on it. It's a nice one down. Yes. When we first brought them in, we raised them. And then we lowered them back down. Eventually they would push up. So this was, so right at this point here, the shoulders would be rigged off here. Leaning forward.
No, we have to make it.
That's hilarious.
Got it.
Thanks, Greg.
This would probably be the president standing.
If not, that like right.
right. Slowly, okay, down a little. Okay, down a little more. Oh, no, up. Down. Right there, slide.
Stand right there.
Okay, up a little bit.
Okay.
Slide. Whoa.
Hey, up a little.
Up. Well, not too much.
Yeah, you guys gonna go up tiny increments.
Okay, now slide again.
Go in.
Oh, that's it. You guys slide that way. That's
Not at the right height, guys.
down.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah,
That's
down.
exactly what we
Down.
Just a second.
A little more right there. And slide forward once more. Well, I guess that's as far as it goes.
Hey, pop that this way.
There we go. Okay, now slide in again a little more.
There. Good.
Wow. Beauty.
Okay. That's good for now. Okay.
Yeah, push it just once more. Lift up where you were when you were sliding. That's almost perfect. Next, go down that way a little bit. Great.
Great.
And walk that way, we go 180 out there with the space.
Hey, Alcida.
Slide out.
Put it on that chair.
Guys, up, it's got to come in a touch more.
Good. Right. It says right on it. Right there. Exact on your right. That's right. The lines are exact. The lines are right.
Yeah, it's flex a little bit.
You know what? They're gonna put. That's where that section that we cut off every year. Oh. You didn't talk to the organizing committee about that?
Hey, what can you tell us about the Playa chickens?
They are dangerous. You know what? They took 3 lives last year. We had to medevac 3 people out, but it wasn't in time. They died on the way over to Washoe Med. It was terrible.
So what kind of warnings do you give people going out to the desert?
Well, we try not to warn them because we figure it's what do you call it? It's weeding out the the bad genes out of the gene.
Yahoos?
Yeah, we're trying to get the yahoos out of there. The drunken misfits who are wandering around on the outskirts of camp and stuff like that, they're prime prey for the Playa chickens.
And then do the goat suckers eat the leftovers? Or how
Well,
does
the goat suckers actually like to climb into the sleeping bags because they get off on the static electricity that gets off there. They get the static electricity tingles them, gives them sort of an orgasm. So you have to check your sleeping bag every time before you go in there.
And what's the...
You can use the static electricity to look inside. You just go in there and you fling around in static electricity. I'll let you know about that.
What's the most preferable sexual position out there in the Playa? Is there
The best sexual position is any position that doesn't allow Playa dust to get into sensitive areas.
You're on.
No, Chris de Monterey. Can you get a shot of Chris de Monterey?
Is that the blue
Chris
penis
de Monterey is designing a special trapeze that'll fly into Trago's hot springs at just about chin level. And I don't know, what's that for? Oh, the little trapeze that goes at chin level in Trago hot springs? Is that for sex or is that just for playing around? I don't know. We just got plans. We had to build it. I just assumed it was some kind of kinky sex thing.
Must be. Yeah, northern view. And the playa would stretch off into the horizon, but with no mountains in the distance. And then the southern view, same thing. Would all be indistinguishable.
Gotta get Chris with his big drill.
Except there'd be different.
Not your bit, huh?
The bit's done.
Really? That's a common mistake, that lens cap thing. I had to buy a heavy-duty construction tool. It's the only way the man goes up.
So how important is alcohol in as far as getting a man suspended from a
I tell you, when you get a bunch of mad scientists together and these kooky creative artists and shit like that, nothing gets done until they're a little bit tipsy. Isn't that right?
That's absolutely correct. Fuel. Think of it as fuel.
Think of it as brain food.
Brain food. Good Lord, look at this thing. It looks like an alien.
It is an alien. It's going to land on your brain.
It's got feet.
You're going to wonder if you were abducted in the morning. You know that? You say, fuck.
I wake up like that all the time.
So here it is.
So you got to keep people happy.
Well,
saying.
No, we never tried to do that.
Good, pretty good.
I don't know where you got that idea.
Yeah, we're fixing to do the.
But we did try to keep them.
Oh, and then it's Neil. Oh.
We were down at a place called La Barca.
Oh, yeah, that place.
For pictures.
Uh-oh, we don't have enough ice. We don't have room for ice.
Sounds like the desert.
I'll have to drink some first.
Yeah, somebody's going to have to drink some of this, goddamn. All right. Here we go, Doug. Make way for the media. This year's motto is make way for the media.
She's gonna come on.
Yeah, really.
So Larry, how long have you been doing the burning bar?
It's very good.
Is it?
Good mixture and very good.
Oh no, I forgot the salt.
Wait a minute.
Is that too strong?
Too much triple sec.
Really?
Yeah. Not enough to keep.
He takes it literally. He triples it.
Yep. I would say that's a fair assessment.
But it still tastes good though.
I got that jump.
Triple sec is triple sec honey.
Oh, that one. Triple suck, basically.
Sec means sweet.
That works.
Very nice. Larry? Was
You know what? This just goes to make you thirsty.
the last triple sec?
I think I need more. Yeah, we need another one of those chairs. You know what we need? Or I think it is. Chris, where'd you get that chair from? You bring that one over instead. Okay, lifting. Get the stirrups. Okay.
Can we lift?
We need a lot. We need a bunch of people on each leg in order to get some lift going. Same number each side. We need more on this side.
Over on this side.
Not the slash. Try to lift the main member.
Chris, before you guys lift, Chris, you lift their arms.
They've got a lot of play. The arms have got play. Not very little much. Just get the sawhorse out.
Okay, ready? Ready? Yeah.
Somebody count.
But yeah, so we're splicing away, you know, making our net. That's crazy.
How many people in the web? Just one spider?
One butterfly / angel.
Oh, butterfly angel.
Butterfly / angel on a spider web that gets hung from her ankle.
And so everyone's anticipating a spider that never really.
That's actually very graceful on top of the web. That doesn't get stuck.
So were you a sailor at any point?
I have been a sailor.
You have nautical experience.
I do have nautical experience. Yes, a little sunfish. You know, one of those little sailboats you can sail by yourself. One hand on the sail and the other on the rudder. You know.
And you're also a nice noose. There you go.
Ta-da, ta-da. Yeah, we have a noose.
And there's the rope.
In our books, yes, practical fishing knots.
Do you ever go sponge fishing?
Sponge fishing. Don't you just have to pick them up out of the water?
You're drinking margaritas over there with Hernan?
Carrot juice.
Oh, that's even more.
And we have our salad in a bag.
Yeah, I was wondering what a web creator eats, for dinner.
Oh yeah, salad in a bag, roasted garlic dressing.
Oh yeah.
Couscous. I'm in training.
In training for
hanging from my
being
ankle.
suspended.
Yeah.
How long would you hang from your ankle then?
About a minute or two.
Oh, and then you get pulled back up, or?
I'm gonna be lowered into the
And how many times would you do this one night?
Once each night.
Oh, so it's like a centerpiece kind of performance.
Yeah. And then there's also the warrior ritual on the 19th and the 27th.
Is this with the Apache warrior?
No, this is it's Dream Circus, and it's warrior ritual.
So when you're not suspending from a warehouse ceiling, what do you do? You know, sort of like the normal daily kind of thing.
I hang out in my loft. No, I do daily performance.
Like a dancer, or?
No, it's integrating, embellishing your everyday life and making it into performance. I'll show you my card. One moment, please. Evoking fear and then
Well, who's more scared, the audience or you?
hopefully the audience. C, B, A. All right, I'm there. So C, this is 1, this is 2. Oh no, see, I got C in there already. I'm confused.
Don't forget about the camera. I don't have
You
any
don't have.
hands.
You're just practicing.
I needed. Yeah.
So I should trust my life with you if I needed to, tying a knot.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Not yet, but yeah. So no net underneath the net, then.
No net,
Ooh,
just
damn.
That's
concrete
gonna
floor.
be ta-da!
Concrete floor. Okay.
So when you're not suspended, are you just sort of up there, sort of hanging out?
I'm gonna have climbing hooks, and I'm gonna hang out on top of the web for a while. It's gonna be blacklit.
Oh, and you wear like a phosphorescent sort of
Yes.
outfit?
It's gonna be white with phosphorescent colors.
Wow.
And then I'm gonna go and hang out underneath the web with hanging equipment, climbing equipment, and hooks and stuff. And
Do you mountain climb?
well, not with rope and hooks yet, but I will now because I'm gonna get a harness and everything. So this is my preliminary climbing experience.
Oh, go ahead. Don't worry.